Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing fast battery drain on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue and save battery life. So let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app on your iPhone. After that, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security option available in there. So after you tap on privacy and security option available there, simply make sure that your location services are turned off. Some apps continuously track your location in the background, draining the battery. So make sure it is turned off. And now go back to the settings again. Now inside settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Inside accessibility, tap on display and text size. Scroll down, and if the auto brightness option is turned off, then turn it on. Make sure that your auto brightness is turned on. Then simply go back to the settings app again. Now scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down and tap on the shutdown option shown there. So what happens is if you sometimes shut down, then it can sometimes resolve issues related to performance or battery drain. So go back to the settings again and scroll down and tap on the general option available again. Then simply scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage and delete the problematic apps. By deleting the problematic apps, you can fix the battery drain issues on your iPhone. So, after you delete all the problematic apps, simply go back to the settings again. So now inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available again. So inside general, scroll down and tap on background app refresh option available there and make sure that it is turned off. After you turn off the background app refresh, go back to the settings again and tap on the general, and now simply go to the transfer or reset iPhone available there and tap on the reset and simply reset all settings. This won't erase your data but will reset your preferences. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.